Hello class 10. Let us continue the chapter right circular cone. I am going to do the sums. First, I am reading the slant height of a right circular cone is 7 cm and the total surface area of cone is 147.84 square centimeter. Find the base radius of the cone. Base radius means radius of the base. Here slant height of a right circular cone is given, that is sum number 3. Sum number 3, this is slant height, that is L equal to 7 centimeter, and total surface area equal to pi r into r plus L. This is equal to 147.84 square centimeter. It is given, so I can write pi r into r plus L equal to 147.84, that is 22 into r plus L equal to 7 equal to 147.84, that is r into r plus 7 equal to 147.84 into 7 by 22, that is 11 2 11 1 3.44 3.44 into 7 by 2, this is equal to 6.72 into 7 equal to 47.04 by 100, this is equal to 1176 by 25. Okay. Now I can write r square plus 7r equal to 1126 by 25. 25 r square plus 175 r minus 1126 equal to 0. By middle term factorization I can write it 25 r square plus 280 r minus 105 r minus 1126 equal to 0. 5 r is common from here. 5 r plus 56 minus 21, 5 r plus 56 equal to 0. 5 r minus 21, 5 r plus 56 equal to 0. Either 5 r minus 21 equal to 0, so I can write 21 by 5. This is equal to 4.2, and or 5 r plus 56 equal to 0, r equal to minus 56 by 5, but r not equal to minus 56 by 5 because r is not negative. Length of the radius cannot be negative. So find the question is find the radius of the, here it is told that the base radius, that means the radius of the base of the cone. Therefore radius of the cone or base radius is 4.2 centimeter. Okay. Next sum is sum number 4. If the ratio of the heights of the two right circular cone is 1:3 and the ratio of their lengths of their radii is 3:1, calculate the ratio of the volumes of the two cones. Solution: let the heights of the first cone equal to h1 unit and that of second cone equal to h2 unit and the radius of the first cone equal to r1 unit and that of second cone equal to r2 unit. Here h1 by h2 equal to 1/3 and r1 by r2 equal to 3/1. This is given, that is volume of first cone by volume of second cone. It is told that find the ratio of the volume of two cones. So volume of first cone by volume of second cone equal to 1/3 pi r square h1 r1, 1/3 pi r2 square h2, that is 1/3 and 1/3 cancel out, r1 by r2 whole square into h1 by h2, r1 by r2 equal to 3/1 whole square into 1/3, 9 into 1/3. This is 3:1. Okay. Now I am going to the chapter, that means exercise 16. Exercise 16. First sum is I have made a closed right circular cone whose length of base radius is 15 cm and slant height is 24 cm. Let us calculate the curved surface area and the total surface area of that cone. So you see this. Radius of the cone equal to r equal to 15 centimeter, slant height equal to L equal to 24 centimeter, curved surface area equal to pi r L centimeter square equal to 22 into 15 into 24, that is square centimeter and centimeter square is same. This is equal to 7920 by 7 equal to 1131 3/7 square centimeter, and total surface area equal to pi r into r plus L square centimeter. 22/7 into r equal to 15 into 15 plus 24 square centimeter, 22/7 into 15 into 49, this is equal to 7, this is equal to 2310 square centimeter. I am ending here. The next sum will come in next video.